Hi, this is the Autowave unboxing of the UK version of the Xhorse Key Tool Plus. As you'll see, it's marked UK on the outside because it has software which is relevant to the UK and EU market. Let's have a little look at what's inside the box. As you can see, it's got a sturdy carry case. Again, it's marked UK on the outside because it is the UK version. Let's have a little look at what's inside the box. Okay. So, inside the box, you've got a user manual. Your user manual has everything, all the functions and everything which is included in the box, like a picking list, and it's certainly worth reading. Let's see what accessories we have. So, first of all, we've got an EEPROM adapter. So the EEPROM adapter comes with a ZIF adapter. You can also solder EEPROMs to the board. Obviously this is designed for 8-leg EEPROMs, and you also have an additional adapter there where you can buy a third-party accessory to either clip on or use various other adapters. You also have inside the box 3 NEC key adapters. Now these are used on the Mercedes-Benz function of the tool. So within a original Mercedes-Benz NEC key, there are 3 types of adapter which support for you to desolder off the board, solder onto here, and allows you to read the key password using the MB software on the device. So there's 3 types of adapter. As you see here, it says NEC 3, you have a 2 and you have a 1. They look exactly the same as each other. Let's take these aside. It comes with the Xhorse charger. It's designed to use with this device, and being a UK version, it's got the UK plug, which you just clip on there. It has a USB-C connector, which you also get that wire inside the box. We always recommend using a high quality cable such as the one that comes with it, so it allows you to charge as it should. You've also then inside with your accessories, you've got the infrared Mercedes-Benz key adapter. It's worth noting that this connector is slightly different to the one that you get with a normal VVDI MB tool. Also, if anybody's experienced on programming Mercedes or reading via infrared, you'll notice with some adapters, when they are a see-through colour, a bit more transparent, you get light interference. This has got a nice carbon finish, so Xhorse have obviously addressed that problem. Also get inside an adapter. Now this adapter is used with various connectors, and what it does is this connects to the actual tablet side and this connects to the adapter, and this will support many other adapters that are going to be brought out in due course. You also have the Mcu Cable, which allows you to use programming functions such as what was found on the VVDI prog. It's worth noting as well that it's not good to extend your clock and data. That can cause problems, and that's with any programmer. So it's obviously got this. That's a consumable item as well, so you can buy those additional, also available from Autowave. This is the MB power adapter. The MB power adapter is included with this device, so it allows you to do fast on-bench lost keys programming, which are much faster speed than you'd be able to do without this power adapter. It also has a useful plug, which is often used for transmitting power, a little crocodile clip connector. You also have the 9S12 adapter, similar to what's found in VVDI prog. Again, it's not good to extend your clock and data, and it's got a really good quality connector on the end. And then finally, of your accessories, you have the remote generation cable, which allows you to carry out the functions as you would on any of the key tools, such as a VVDI key tool, mini key tool, or key tool max. That connects into the device, and this connects onto a wired remote. Again, it will only support Xhorse wired remotes. So that's what you get in the accessories. You also have 3 types of Kia connector. You got the 20, the 10, and the Honda 3. So 2 types of Kia, 1 type of Honda. Obviously that's when it's not your normal OBD connection. It does prompt you on the device when you need to use these connectors. You also get a little chip box, which is really useful. Obviously, you want to buy your super chips from Autowave. All the devices are checked. You've also got the Obd connector. So this connector obviously connects to the device and also connects to Obd. Very standard. It's actually a good quality cable as well. You do find on some cheaper devices that the cable isn't very good quality. This is pretty good quality, and you can just tell by picking it up. So now on to the actual main device. So when we look at the main device, it's got a really nice finish. It's the orange UK version, and what you'll see is that it's got a nice carbon finish, a little holder on the back. You'll also notice these, there are going to be additional accessories available in the next couple of months, which such as stands and various other things. It's also got the camera lens and built-in microphone and speakers, which is useful. And on the top you have USB-C connector, that's for charging the device. You have the remote generation cable. You have this other connector, which, as you may recall earlier, I showed you this connector, which then connects into your adapters. And then that connector is for the OBD. You also have the infrared adapter here, which is the part for Mercedes-Benz programming. On the front of the device, you'll see very much similar to a Key Tool Max or a VVDI2. You have a little hole for the transponder, you have an antenna coil which is hidden behind here, and that's where you can actually put a key in for using things like for doing pre-coding or for generating wireless remotes and various other things. So overall, it's a good quality device. That's everything that you get in the box. You have additional spaces for when more adapters come out, and also it's just useful and handy to put things like remotes and transponders. It's available on our website www.autowave.co.uk. Thank you.